How to claim Spotify artist profile. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can do exactly that. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is go to your Spotify and make sure that you are logged into your account at the top right corner. Once you are logged in on your Spotify, you're going to have to check if your artist name or artist account is available or not. To do that, open up a new tab on your browser and simply go ahead and search for Spotify or artist, hit enter, and then click on the first link that you see right here. Now, all you have to do here is make sure that you are logged in. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account since there is a logout option at the top right. Now, once you have done that, you're going to have to click on this Get Access button and click on it. Then you'll have label team member or artist or manager account. Click on the first option and you'll be taken to another page where you can claim your artist profile. So if you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to the stats, pitch tracks, to the editors, and more. And if your music is not yet live on Spotify, you can click here. But if it is, click on continue and choose your account from here. If you want to change, you can click on this change account, but I'm just going to continue with this one. Now you're going to have to search for your Spotify artist URI, or you could just go ahead and paste the artist name. So let me just search for my name right here. And there you'll be able to see people that have the account unclaimed. Click on any one of the account. And as you can see, this has already been claimed, but you could just go ahead and search for your own name. And the URL will show up right here. Click on any one of them. And if this has not been claimed, then you can just go ahead and claim it. And if the profile has not been claimed, then you can just go ahead and claim profile. It will ask you for your business email. Just click on the business email and enter your email. You'll get a verification code on your email and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.